everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna share a few of my current favorite products. Now honestly कुछ दिन पहले मेरा फिर से आई इन्फेक्शन हो गया था. फरवरी में मेरा इस आई पे हुआ था and अभी इस आई पे, and you can see थोड़ा सा फुला हुआ है again, and but मुझे 2 हफ्ते फिर से ब्रेक लेना पड़ा बिकॉज आई वॉज आस्क्ड टू नॉट अप्लाई एनी काइंड ऑफ मेकअप ऑन माई आई. सो मैंने 2 हफ्ता पूरा रेस्ट लिया है. अभी भी कम होना थोड़ा बाकी है, बट या आई हैड टू बी एट वर्क. सो एनीवे, लेट्स जस्ट बिगिन विद द वीडियो. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट इज द विस्पर पीरियड पैंटी. जब ये लॉन्च हुआ था मुझे थोड़ा गिमिकी लगा था, अनहाइजीनिक लगा था, एंड मुझे लगा कि अनकम्फर्टेबल होगा इसको पहने रहना. And it just looked like Huggies and I was like embarrassed to wear it. Few days ago I ordered few groceries from Swiggy Instamart and वहाँ से मुझे 2 panties receive हुआ था and I was like ठीक है, आ गया है तो try करके देखते हैं. And when I tried it on my first day I was like wow, this is so comfortable. It doesn't itch or irritate my skin, which was really good. But then again I went ahead and bought this packet. Now this is little expensive than sanitary pad. I really like the comfortable wear and soft panties, and this is how it will come. You have to tear this up. यहाँ पे side से you have to tear it. So this is how the period panties is going to look like. I know you have seen already, but this is how it looks. यहाँ पे mention भी है. This is back side, this is front side, and ये जो साइज़ है ML के लिए कंफर्टेबल है. नाउ इफ़ यू हैव 32 वेस्ट यू कैन वेयर इट आराम से. लाइक आई हैव 32 वेस्ट एंड ये ना बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल. ये थोड़ा सा भी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि टाइट है. इट्स वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. सो आई विल recommend this to you. If you haven't tried this, try it out. Let's move on to skincare products. So the first thing is the Cetaphil cleanser. This is the gentle cleanser. Now previously I used to apply it with water, wash my face, but अभी recently when I discovered कि इसको dry भी use किया जा सकता है, and तब से मैं इसको dry use कर रही हूँ, and it removes my makeup completely. Even if you wear sunscreen, no makeup, it works, and this is something which is great. And अभी तो नायका सेल भी start होने वाली है, so you can definitely grab this one. If you have sensitive skin, you're gonna love this. Even if you have oily, acne prone skin, you're gonna love this. So you can use it in a morning skincare routine, like morning cleanser if you have oily skin, but this is something very very good. So dry skin people or sensitive skin people, you're gonna love it. The next thing I'm loving is the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. This is super lightweight. Like right now in summer I want a lightweight moisturizer and this is the perfect one. इसका ज़्यादा प्राइस भी नहीं है. मैंने छोटा सा ही मुझे रिसीव हुआ था नायका से and I'm still using it. ये ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. You get a lot of product, 88 ml. Okay, so this is great if you have oily skin as well. I do have oily skin. I have like breakouts here and there, and this works for me amazingly. This has skin repairing ingredients. Even if you have dry, oily, sensitive skin or acne prone skin, you can definitely give this one a try. Now let's talk about eyebrow razor, right? So eyebrow razor के लिए मैं Carmesy का eyebrow razor use करती हूँ, and this is such a dope product. Like this is super small, as you can see, it is super small. It's perfect for your brows, for your upper lips and chin. It's a must have. I have been using this since a year and I would suggest you. Now I'm going to talk about few makeup products. So the first thing is the Lakme Absolute Lip Mousse. ये मैंने recently buy किया था and I love the formula. It's so moussey, it's so lightweight. This is the shade, as you can see, and I think it's a must have. The shade is gorgeous. You can pull it off without makeup, bare skin. You're gonna love it. Moving on, I have a blush that I'm obsessed with. It's from Eba Cosmetics. This is called the Must Have Everyday Lip and Cheek Tint. The shade is Timeless Mocha and the shade is so gorgeous. Let me just quickly swatch it. मैं यहाँ पे swatch करूँगी. This is the shade. It is super gorgeous. Like bare skin में भी बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. For medium to deeper skin tone, this will look absolutely stunning. It's my current favorite. I'm using it every single time I'm wearing blush. So this is great. Moving on, I have a liner which I'm obsessed with. I have been using this since I think 11 months or 10 months maybe, Okay, I received this from Myntra. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I received it as a PR, and since then I'm obsessed with this because it's so pigmented, it stays so long, and I love this pigmentation. It's super jet black. I love it. You're gonna love it. If you haven't tried this, try it now. One more kajal that I have used many years ago, which is the Color Bar kajal. Now this is their Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal. Now this shade called Just Marsala. Let me quickly swatch it. It comes with a smudger, by the way. I'm gonna swatch the shade here. It is pigmented, as you can see. From this range, I've only used this shade. ये मैंने 2-3 साल पहले डिस्कवर किया था एंड आई कम्प्लीटली लव्ड इट, लेकिन वो एक्सपायर होने की वजह से मैं कभी यूज़ नहीं कर पाती थी एंड आई डिडंट गेट अ चांस टू बाय इट. सो रिसेंटली लास्ट मंथ व्हेन आई वाज इन शॉप स्टॉप बाइंग few footwear, so I got this and I am obsessed again. It's super pigmented, it's super lightweight, and also it smudges perfectly. So if you want to do a brown smoky eye, it's perfect. If you want it on your waterline, it's perfect. Alright, coming to the last product, I am obsessed with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Now I bought this during my wedding time from an Instagram page, but right now you can buy it from Nykaa. It's a too good product, okay? You spray it on your face and your makeup is going to last super long. I'm going to take an eyeshadow from this Makeup Revolution Pro Glam Mode palette. I'm going to take this brown shade. I'm going to swatch it right here. And I'm gonna swatch another one right here. Here are the swatches. Now I'm gonna spray some of All Nighter on here and I'm gonna let it sit for a few seconds. Now it's almost dry. Let's test this one out first. I have nothing on my hand and I haven't set it yet. So if I do this, yeah, it gets removed. Now let's do this side. I have nothing here. It doesn't go. And that's why I'm currently loving it. So yeah, those were the products I am obsessed with currently, and I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description box below. Also, the Nykaa sale is coming up, so if you guys want me to do a dedicated video on Nykaa recommendation, do let me know. I hope you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.